Man, it was like feeling good last week ago. I'm talking about Christmas week. Man, now it's like dead cold outside. It was snowing outside last night. Now it's about to snow again. Man, It's that wintertime grinding. For real, it's really cold outside. It's that wintertime grinding. Shout out to PZ on the wintertime grind. Getting cold outside, y'all, that's no lie. Getting cold outside, y'all, that's no lie. It's that wintertime grinding. For real, it's really cold outside. Through the rain, sleet, or snow, it's still grinding outside. My workers are the hustler, just aiming for some customers. Hard in today's time just to have some shine, while the OGs maintaining set example as a prime. I hear from certain crowds talking life with no food, then watching pocket watches using people as a fool. I'm just living mighty fine through a season of the cold, as I'm talking going to work so I can handle game bold. Even though it's the winter, but never stop the flow. I know it's hella wild when you walking through the snow. From January to the March, that's when going spring. But as of right now, I'm on the wintertime flame. With this weather right here, when your style is getting bluster, have you thinking that you fresher than the stylist with a dresser? With this weather right here, when your style is getting bluster, have you thinking that you fresher than the stylist with a dresser? It's that wintertime grinding. For real, it's really cold outside. It's that wintertime grinding. Shout out to PZ on the wintertime grind. Getting cold outside, y'all, that's no lie. Getting cold outside, y'all, that's no lie. It's that wintertime grinding. For real, it's really cold outside. Whew, man, I tell you, it is somewhat got cold out there for real. Yeah, I had to go what I had to go, and then make my little run. Then I had to head it back to the heat. You did, cause it is getting cold out there. Give me one sec. Yeah, Texas and California, man, it's really sad for them two states right now. You got Texas on the outside, freezing up with freezing cows outside. And you got California, on the other hand, just burning up with full of deep with wildfire. It's just wow, man. That's why I'm blessed to be surrounded where it just, 3 inches of snow. That's it. I'm blessed to be surrounding that situation. But Texas and California is just, my condolences to the family out there, because it's sad, really sad at all times to have to deal with that situation. Texas is deadly snow out there, while California is dealing with hell of a heat as far as the wildfire. It's just, man, I don't know what to say. That's like speechless. New World Order, man, like dead ass, speechless.